Here's another side hustle that's great for beginners, busy parents, or even teens just starting out. Let's take a ride. First, we'll cruise on over to Digistore24.com and set up our free account. Once we have our free account, we'll click on Marketplace. We'll scroll through and we'll pick a category we know something about. Now we can look through all the products that come up in that category. This one here pays 80% commissions, have an average earnings of $36.79. Looks like it has good support. We can get our affiliate link from them. Next, we'll slide on over to Pexels.com real quick. We'll search something to do with the category we picked. We'll pick a picture, download it for free, and you can use it for free. Then we'll journey on over to Canva.com. Get your free account set up and then click on Create a Design. You want custom size, 1000 by 1500, and create new design. That'll give you a canvas perfect for your Pinterest pin that's coming up. Click on Uploads, upload that picture you just took from Pexels. It'll come in right there, slide it over in the box, and resize it so it fits perfect. Now come on up and click on Share. Scroll down, click on Download. Suggested PNG, that's what we want. Download it, it's back in our computer. And finally, we will drift on into Pinterest.com. We will go ahead and upload that image that we resized in Canva. We will fill out our title, description, and we'll paste our affiliate link down here. And remember, hashtag affiliate in the title as well as your description. FTC requires us to tell people that we will make a commission when they purchase through our pins. When someone purchases through the link, you get a commission for the sale. There's no product to buy up front, nothing to store or ship. Customer service falls on the product creators. You can promote your product across all the platforms, but you must read and follow all of their guidelines regarding affiliate links on their platform. This is a great little side hustle to get you started, but if you want to earn enough to quit your job and work completely from home, click the link in my bio to find out how you can start learning for just $7. Side hustles, work from home, or full-on business. It's out there. Get up and get some.